did that once a day, we could all form a coalition and take over the world. The healthcare world. All right. Let's get the navicular bone. All right. Now let's prop down the calcaneus. Evert the foot. Tap it in. Evert the foot. Now, my glove. Wow. Okay, straighten the bottom leg. Drop this off. That's a girl. All right, I got you. Okay, let's do the other side. Just let it drop off. I use my elbow to adjust. Nice like that, on your back. Cervical. Turn your head right. Smile. Come on. Smile. Come on. No. Thank you. Wow, nice, huh?
This way, and I'm feeling this upper cervical right here. Okay, relax right here for me. Very good, okay? Excellent. That's about a C2 adjustment. Those are pretty restricted segments here for him. Relax here. Very good. Ooh. Excellent movement. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. That move?
Yeah, that moves.
Relax right in here. Relax right in here. Good. Good. Relax right in here. Very good. Good.
Goodness gracious.
Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Chiropractic positioning, and of course he's probably been adjusted several times in his life. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Type of person that comes into the clinic. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. That was a good one. All right. Excellent.
You're trying to make me crazy. So let's fix what we find and see what happens. So we'll go to the right navicular, top it in place. Okay? So we do our beloved pubic. Can I touch you right here? And you, okay, fine. We're on national TV, so okay. Relax. Come on now. All right, now pubic bone. There she blows. Okay, now it clunked right in. Okay, now we have 80 degrees.
And always check her ribs. In fact, she has a big game today, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Right? Nice. Same thing other side. You ready? And one last thing, let me back here, yeah. Sorry, messed with your hair there.
It's okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way. One more, relax. There. Got it.
There we got it. Perfect. Good. Breathe in again. Hand out. Arms like this, hips up slightly. Take a big breath. And down. Excellent. Other side. Good. And again, deep breath. And down. Good. Straight on your back. Just contacting with the outside of the index finger. Good. Nice and round. And excellent. Get a little pull to get that one on the right side that was a little cranky.
It's going to be epic and loud. Go ahead.
Get
Ready?
really close, Ash.
Okay.
One more.
See if there's any more down low.
No?
That'll work. Each vertebrae, if you grab the skin with your thumbs forward, just above it, and pull straight up, you'll crack each one individually. It's unbelievable. See if you can hear it. There's 1, 2. If you can't hear that,
Probably get closer with the camera.
it is just cracking. That was a loud one. Unbelievably awesome.
Bueno.
Oh
my god.
Mucho te duele?
Poquito, ya se me está pasando.
Poquito. I don't think it's poquito. So I'm gonna go easy on her because. Good. Huh? Not as bad, huh?
And as we palpated, we noted here on